Welcome to the part of new Realme GT Neo 3, and I'll show you how to add and remove home screen widgets on this device. So first we should select the screen where you want to add the widgets. For example, let's go with this one, and after that just hold for a while your device screen and you'll see here the widgets icon. Just click here once and now we can see all the available applications. Here was application with the which widgets we can add. For example, we can see here that we can add for just the clock app have 4 different types of the widgets. The calendar has 2, the Gmail just 1. So each of the app have just different amount of the widgets types. For example, we can add the calendar schedule or the month view for the calendar. Let's add the schedule. Just hold it and add it here, or if you want you can here just select the screens. We can also go with the new screen just to have a little bit more space. Then just click here to done, and now we can see that we just successfully added the home screen widget to our device screen. If you want to change the size of this widget, just hold it for a while, and after that we can make it bigger or smaller by this way. And if you want to just move the widget between the screens, that's also not a problem. Just hold it and drag it here, for example, or just to the main home screen. If you want to we can create the new screen with a widget, that's also not a problem. And to remove it, hold it for a while and then click here to remove icon and confirm your action by remove widgets again. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.